Here we have the Amazer 2-tier dish drying rack. This comes with a drain board. What is a drain board? Well, it's a board on the bottom that collects water that drips from your dishes and drains right back into the sink. No mess, no issues. Also comes with a set of 2 utensil holders. It's a strong structure. It has suction cup feet, which secures itself steady to your countertop. So being that it's 2-tier, it's large capacity, which they claim it holds 13 full-size plates, 8 cups, 8 bowls, 8 utensils, knives, forks assorted, and 3 pot covers. Now from the dimensions of this, it was a little bit big when I first put it on the counter, but it's very convenient because before I was just laying a towel on the counter, laying the dishes there, then the dishes would be lying down, not really drying because they're not in the position to roll water off, and it would go onto the counter and onto the towel. Pretty inefficient, pretty sloppy, and it doesn't get cleaned up until you actually put away everything. Now with this, I tried it out the first time and I really liked the organization of it because it's out of the way back. I still have space to work a cutting board on my counter, and no mess on the counter because the water drains back into the sink. The dishes dry properly. They're able to drip dry and air dry, leaving no spots and drying efficiently and quickly. And if you don't feel like putting them away right away, it still looks organized. So that's the best part for me. I don't have to be in a rush to clear out the countertop to make room to do other things. While the dishes are drying, I still have my room to work, and I have dishes at the go right there, and I'm not in a hurry to put it away. And the build quality is solid, easy to put together. Took about 15 minutes unpacking and putting it together. Comes with all the tools, an Allen wrench and a small little wrench, and it's pretty straightforward. And I think I should have got this years ago, and you should pick one up too. Thanks for watching.